Okay, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Coach Rob. What we're going to cook up tonight is we're going to cook some burger melts. So we're not going to have a bun. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it on the Hamilton Beach Grill. I'm sure you've seen this before. And what we're going to do is we're going to follow the cooking guide that came with this unit. And you see we're going to do the hamburger. So we're going to sear it for 4 minutes first. Then we're going to turn it over and we're going to cook it for another additional time, which is 8 to 10 minutes. And of course, it should be 145 Fahrenheit cooked to the temperature. So what we're doing now, we have to wait for this green light to turn green. Then what we're going to do is we're actually going to make up some bacon, and it's going to be the lazy way. We got some smoked bacon we're going to put on, and we'll put that on when it's almost done. And we're going to make a packet of brown gravy too, because I like gravy on the patty melt. Okay, we've got our grill heated up, right? So we're gonna place the burgers on now, and we got 2 of them, so we're gonna put them on carefully. There's one. And we're going to grab the other one here. And as you can see, we got the gravy on too. Kind of awkward doing it with one hand. So we're going to get that going. We're going to stir this. Remember I said we got to do it 4 minutes, right? So that's getting a bit warm now. We're going to turn that down to low. And here we're going to go kitchen timer 4 minutes. Then we're going to time it for 4 minutes, and we'll get working on the gravy a bit more. We might have to turn it up a little bit. Okay, as you can see, we got our bread ready, and we got our cheese there. It's still in the wrapper. I'm going to go over here. We're going to stir our gravy again. Oh, the gravy looks like it's almost done. It's starting to boil, see? So what we're going to do is we're going to turn that right off. Right, we're just going to lift it up so it cools down ever so slightly. Actually, you know what? We're going to put it on low. See, it's on low. And we got 48 seconds until we flip these burgers. So we'll go over here and we'll get our flipper from the flipper section. And we'll do it another 4 minutes. Is that what it said on the thing here? I think it did, right? Remember the burgers? 4 minutes and continue doing. We got to turn it down to 375. So we can actually do that right now. I don't know if you can see that. Then we'll turn it down to 375. Okay, this is going to cancel out. See, it's got 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to stop clear that. We're going to get the flipper, which is right here. And we might cook it a bit longer than this. So we're going to close this off now, and we're going to start our timer again. We're going to go, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go kitchen timer 5 minutes this time. And I'll turn it over one more time for the last minute, and we'll put our cheese on. Okay, so it's coming along good here. The burgers are here. Oh, we got our thing in there. So what we'll have to do is when that gets down to a minute, we'll have to kill it and cook our bacon in there, because the bacon's sitting in there now, right? So, right? Okay, now we got the bacon, the already cooked bacon cooking in there, right? And this is coming along quite nicely, I think, right? So we'll probably flip it over in a sec, and we'll put the cheese on. Well, actually, I can turn it over now. I won't put the cheese on quite yet, though, because we want to have it on. There we go. See, that's pretty good. And we got about 20 seconds to go on that. So what we'll do, we'll make sure all that's cooked. Then we'll put the cheese on with the bacon underneath the cheese. Okay, as you can see, the bacon is done. It's hard for me to do this with one hand, but we'll try. Right, I know that's a lot of bacon, you guys, and you're going to comment on, oh, you shouldn't be eating that much bacon. But it's not like I have it every day, right? So, okay, well, you get the idea. So we're going to, I got to unwrap the cheese and I'll put the cheese on, okay? So hang on tight. So we got the cheese melting. We're just going to close this lid for a couple seconds here, maybe about 20 or 30 seconds. Our gravy is so good. As you can see, the cheese is melted. So I have to put it on the bread here, and I can't do that without putting the camera down. I got nobody else here to help me hold it. So as you can see, we got it almost ready. We got our gravy here. I think I can manage this. So we're gonna pour some gravy over top. Oh, that's gonna look so good. It's gonna taste so good, everybody, eh? So there's the finished product. So please like and subscribe to this channel. We got lots of videos online, and we're gonna be doing more cooking and more. I don't know if we're gonna do more royal sauce. We probably will. Anyway, so please like and subscribe, and have a great night, everybody.